Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can remove extra spaces in Google Sheets. So, do you ever wonder why your data looks messy or why your formulas don't match? Sometimes the problem is just the extra spaces, and let me show you how to remove them instantly. So, the first thing that you will do is, of course, open your Google Sheets file, and then you will just have to click on the cell that where you want the cleaned result to appear. And what you will have to do is type this exact formula. So equal sign and then trim and then A1. And what you will have to do is just click enter to apply it. And that's it. And this will remove the leading, the trailing, and the extra spaces. And to apply to more cells, you will just have to drag the fill handle down, which is right here. So yeah, that's basically just it. And if you want to replace the original data, you can copy the clean column and you can just right click and then you will see paste special and then you will just have to click values only. And yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.